All right, y'all, so I'm at work, and I just took an L on sneakers, but I stopped by the Athlete's Foot, and truth behold, they had the joints right here. So out here in Knightdale, North Carolina, where I work, I stopped at the Athlete's Foot, and yo, boy, got the joints. What? Nah, they didn't have these sitting on the wall like that. Not on the wall like that. What? Too crazy. Yeah, man. So clearly, as you can see, all I did was just walk right in the Athlete's Foot, and these were just sitting right there on shelves. Insane. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing y'all this super high def, ultimate, ultra 4K entertainment for even newer entertainment, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have the 2023 Black Toe Lows. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, honestly, here's the box. Nothing special. I do like that it's a normal Jordan 1 box. They ain't try to do nothing crazy, but here's the box. I do go down a half a size in my Jordan 1 lows. And here are the shoes, man. These are dope. They're a clean colorway. Now, once I finally got them in hand and got them to the house or whatever, I don't really think that they're that crazy, honestly. I want to say these could be beaters almost. Like, they're really not something to go crazy over. Like, I don't know. I turned out not to be a humongous fan of the shoe, but I do like how comfortable they are and how they're a nice fit for the summertime. Subtle differences between this one and the high that came out, I want to say, what, 2015 maybe? The high did have a white tongue. This one does have a black tongue. Now, I'm doing this video to show you guys how to lace these shoes because a lot of these lows, they just look narrow on foot. They look horrible. Like, I hate watching them all laced up. They almost look like socks, like Jordan 1 socks when y'all got them worn like that. So I do go down half a size. It fits nice and comfortable, not too snug, not too loose, just right. If you do see somebody wearing these and they got wild room in the back of their ankle, that's because they went true to size and it was the wrong thing to do. Honestly, these are some of the best lows I think to drop in the past few years. Like, these are hard. Now, I do want those Starfish, the shattered backboard reverse whatever 2.0 lows. I do want those to rock also, but these right here, insane. Like, these are crazy. I wear these a lot. Man, speaking of the material on the shoe, I will say it is super soft quality leather all around the shoe. But I want to say also it's kind of thin. It's a little thin around everywhere. Like, everywhere on the shoe is thin, so maybe that gives off why it's soft. I mean, it's still creasable. Like, you can still get this creased up if you're not laced the right way. But yeah, this is a dope shoe. It's not too crazy, but it is one of those to have, especially for $140. And for retail, I repeat, do not pay resale for this shoe, especially for restock purposes. And if you look hard enough, I'm pretty sure they're still sitting somewhere out there, somewhere. But yeah, man, just wanted to show you guys this real quick and show y'all how to lace it. Like, give y'all a clean lacing tutorial on how to lace Jordan 1 lows. I've done one in the past and it didn't really work out too well. Although people did watch it for the Travis Scott reason, I did not like the way I laced those. These right here, they kind of give off that SB look, so I want to give y'all the idea on how to do it.
Later that same evening.
All right, so you take your two laces right here, you go down the bottom piece right here, you make sure your bridge is good. Make sure your laces are even, and then you go from the outside and all the way up. We're gonna go up 6 eyelets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's where we're gonna stop right there. Boom, make sure it's even. You use your finger to guide it to keep your laces flat. And you go from the outside, in, just like that. Pulling, make sure your laces are flat. Boom, outside in, all the way up till we get to the 6th eyelet. We're getting there. As you can see, we're gonna loose lace job all the way up. Loose lace. Got that finger there, see? Got that finger to guide you. Loose lace, just like that. Now we're up to the 6th eyelet. Here it is, right here. This is number 6. This is the sweet spot. Now you go through from the inside out. Boom. Just give yourself that much room, just like that. That much room. Now you have this extra right here. Boom. Same on this side. Give yourself that much room. Now all this extra lace, you go down and you straighten it out and you make them all even. You loose lace job. And once you know you got it right, you pull your tongue up and everything works out just fine. Just like that. That's how you loose lace the sneakers. No creasing, none of that. Your joints just run fine. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these things on foot. Leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Have your Jordan 1 lows looking like this. If you don't, you will have creases. Your joints will look like socks and you don't need that. Peace.